In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off Dex mode on any Samsung tablet. Before we start, just make sure that your tablet supports Dex mode because not all Samsung tablets support Dex mode. After you've done that, now to turn on Dex mode, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just look for the option for Dex. As you can see, this is the option for Dex. But if you cannot find the Dex mode icon over here, then tap on Edit. Now under the available buttons section, just look for the icon for Dex mode. After you find the Dex mode icon, just tap on it to add it to the control center. Then select Done. And you will add the Dex shortcut to the control center. Now to turn on Dex mode, just tap on Dex. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled Dex mode on our tablet. Just like that. Now to turn off Dex mode, just open the control center again and tap on Dex. And after you do that, you will turn off Dex mode on your tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.